Hello one and all. So here we have to find current in the circuit. So we have to find the current over here. So in order to find this current, we are going by a theorem called Thevenin's theorem. So now what I am doing is, so in the Thevenin's theorem, in order to find R Thevenins, we have to short circuit the voltage source and we have to open circuit the current source. So that we have to do. So now I am redrawing the circuit. This is short circuited and the 6 ohms remains same, and this is open circuited and this 6 ohms remains same, and this is 4 ohms, and we will remove the RL here. So we will remove this. So this is 4 ohms, this is 6 ohms, this is 6 ohms. So in order to find R Thevenins, we have to see the nodes. Here we can see there is a node. Okay, here it is open circuited, so there is no node here in this point. Here there is a node. So we can redraw this circuit like this, in this way. So this is a node and this is another node. Okay, so 6 ohms, 6 ohms and 4 ohms. So here we can see these are in series, these are in series, and this is in parallel. Okay, so how we can do? 6 plus 6 is 12 ohms, and for parallel how we will calculate? 12 into 4 by 12 plus 4, so that is equals to 48 by 16, that is 3 ohms. Okay, so therefore R Thevenins is 3 ohms. Now we have to find out the V Thevenins. So we have to find out V Thevenins. In order to find V Thevenins, we have to redraw the circuit. I am redrawing the circuit. This will be 2 amperes and this is 12 volts, positive, negative. Okay, and this is 6 ohms, this is 4 ohms. Okay, this will be open circuited. So here 6 ohms, this is 6 ohms. Now we have to see the nodes here. This is one node, we can call it as V1, and this is another node, we can call it as V2. So now I am going to find out V2, that is V2 is nothing but V Thevenins, because here we have to find out the voltage at this point. So V2 is nothing but V Thevenins. So I am applying a law called KCL, that is all the sum of all the currents leaving the junction is 0. Suppose here if I consider I1, I2, I3, so all the currents will be 0. So now I am taking this KCL, so that is we can write it as V1 minus 12 by 6, that is this current, this current. So again I am taking the current here, so that is minus, so minus 2 amperes. Again this current I am taking, plus V1 minus V2 by 6. So this is first equation. So we can take it as V1 plus V1 minus V2 by 6, okay, is is, this is minus 12 by 6 minus 2, that is equals to 0. This is also equals to 0. Now how we can draw it as? So 2v1 minus v2 by 6 is equals to, so this is 6 2, so that is equals to 4. Okay, suppose if I want to find out this, okay, 2v1 minus v2 is equals to 24. This 6 is multiplied here, so v1 is equals to 24 plus v2 by 2. So this is one equation at node 1. This is at node 1. Okay, so again we have to find out at node 2. Okay, let us see at node 2. Now we have to find out at node 2. At node 2. Okay, you can see here, this is one current and this is another current. So I am writing those currents, v2 minus v1 by 6 plus v2 by 4 is equals to 0. Now I am substituting the v1 over here. So v2 minus 24 minus v2 by 2 whole divided by 6 plus v2 by 4 is equals to 0. So now v2 by 6 minus 24 minus v2 by 12, okay, plus v2 by 4 is equals to 0. So now by this equation we can find out what is v2. So we can find out simply. So if you solve this equation, you will get it as 6 volts. You can solve this equation. Okay, after solving this, you will get v2 is equals to 6 volts, that is equals to VThevenins. Okay, we have find out RThevenins and also VThevenins. Now again we have to redraw the circuit. I am redrawing the circuit. So now the circuit will be like this, plus minus, v2 is 6 volts and RThevenins we found out that is 3 ohm, and RL again we have to connect the RL. So RL is equals to 2 ohms. Now we have to find out the current over here, the current flowing here. I is equals to V by R formula. So here V Thevenins, it is V Thevenins by R Thevenins plus RL. So that is equals to V Thevenins is 6, 3 plus 2, okay, that is 6 by 5. So what will be the current? 1.2, okay, 1.2 amperes. This is the final answer we can get. Thank you.